Life for guns. Government proposes tough sentencing and weapons amnesty.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The penalties proposed in the new Firearms Act, which was tabled in the House of Representatives on Thursday, January 10, by Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang. Gangsters or gun runners found in possession, trafficking in, and stockpiling prohibited weapons could be sent to prison for life under the proposed laws. The government has also floated a gun amnesty amid overwhelming firearm-related crimes in the country. This amnesty will allow persons who are in possession of illegal firearms to surrender these weapons and ammunition to the state without prosecution. The Firearms Prohibition, Restriction and Regulation Act of 2022 has been referred to a joint select committee. The 122-page bill says prohibited weapons covers firearms, grenades, bombs or similar missiles, missile launchers or rockets. Section 14 of the bill addresses the punishment to be meted out to persons for use or possession of a firearm or imitation firearm in certain circumstances. It says no person shall use or attempt to use a firearm or imitation firearm with intent to commit or to aid the commission of a felony, or to resist or prevent the lawful apprehension or detention of himself or some other person. A person who contravenes this provision commits a felony. Upon conviction in a circuit court, this offense attracts a fine or imprisonment of not less than 15 years or more than 25 years as the court considers appropriate. In relation to the stockpiling of prohibited weapons, the bill states that a person in possession of or who causes to be accumulated in any location 3 or more prohibited weapons or 50 rounds or more of ammunition shall be treated as having stockpiled prohibited weapons. A person who is convicted in a circuit court for this offense faces life imprisonment. Notwithstanding the provisions of the Parole Act, the court shall specify a term of imprisonment of not less than 20 years before being eligible for parole. Tough sanctions are also aimed at persons who traffic in prohibited weapons. This offense also attracts life imprisonment upon conviction in a circuit court. Possession of a prohibited weapon with intent to traffic also attracts a life sentence upon conviction in a circuit court. The bill is intended to repeal and replace the Firearms Act of 1976.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!